Hi, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience and the community of machine maker?
Basically, Trimurti Stainlink Equipments is a Pune-based organization. We are into stainless steel electrical enclosures in stainless steel 304 and 316L. It's a 20-year-old company, and we have our presence throughout the country, and we are also exporting our products. Major customers are in pharma, dairy, food process.
Can you name some of the customers that you have been dealing with?
IDMC, Schneider, Rockwell Automation.
Oh, wow. And when did the company start?
Company started about 20 years back.
20 years ago?
Yeah.
So in the last 20 years, how was the journey of the company? What is coming up next?
Yeah, it has been excellent. We have, over a period of time, we have got some good certifications, which has earned us a good name and earned us business. And it is doing quite well and doing great. Yes.
Wonderful. What kind of machines do you use in your factory? Which quality are those of?
Basically, we have a good, very nice and world-class infrastructure. We have a laser cutting machine, which is of the world-class level, Salvagini make. Then bending machine, automatic bending machine, Trump make.
Acha.
We have our own gasket dispensing machine. A gasket is a very important part of the enclosure because it seals the body and the
Correct.
And we have a good skilled and experienced workforce. So other than machinery, that is an important asset for us.
Correct. So there must be a lot of players in this market for this product category. What makes you different? Why do customers choose Trustar?
Basically, it is the product quality, delivery, and cost. But quality, we are known for our product quality finish, workmanship. Yeah.
You're making in India for last 20 years. What are your thoughts about manufacturing in India since we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the 75 years of Indian independence?
We are basically Indians, so India में ही manufacture करेंगे. So हमारा journey मतलब our founder, he started in a small gala, छोटे से इसमें उन्होंने start किया और अभी काफ़ी बड़ा 60,000 square feet का हमारा 3 sheds में हम लोग बना रहे हैं. So
wow.
We have grown
tremendously.
Yeah.
So, all the best for your growth, and thank you so much for talking to us, sir.
Thank you.
It was really a pleasure talking to you.
Same here. Thank you.
Thank you.